Hello guys, good day everybody. Welcome to Flicker Brains once more. Okay, today I'll be showing you guys my AdSense account, showing guys we received payments on this AdSense account on the 21st of this month. Okay, so we're logging into the account to show you guys our AdSense dashboard, so you see that we have received our own payment too. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. You can also follow us for more AdSense content. Alright? Okay, let's log in. Alright, guys. As you can see on the screen, you can see our dashboard and you can see what I've made so far on this particular account. You can see it here. You can see last payment we received $46,000 on 21st of this month. Okay, as you can see our dashboard, you can see what we have made so far this month. You can see we have made roughly $900 on this account today. We are aiming to make like 2K today so far on this account, so we're still working on it. This is just in the morning. You can see it here. It's just early in the morning, so we're still working on the account. All right, so you can see this month we made around $18,000. We are still working on it. We're planning to load like $25,000 this month on this account. You can see for our CTR and our CPC, you can see our CPC is very high. It's not that high, but it's $3. Normally, if you're using this method, I've always said your CPC is not going to go below $2. It's not possible. As far as you use the method, exactly what was done in the tutorial video, and you keep doing it every day consistently, your CPC will keep rising every day. Within 3 days of working on your account, definitely you see a change in the way your CPC will increases. You can see the number of clicks and you can see our page views. You can see our impressions too. Normally we make use of automation method. That is why we can generate large number of page views and large number of clicks at the same time. So that's it. This fully automated method. Let me refresh this. So if you want to learn this method, our link is in the description box. You can click on the description box below. You can contact us. You let us know your problem. If you want us to partnership on your account, we can also partnership on your account. For this new month that is coming ahead, we can partnership on your account and work on your account, and we share revenue. If you also want to learn the method, you want to learn how we actually perform this trick, you can also click on the description box below. You can contact us. We'll teach you. We already have tutorial videos on each method, manual and automation. We already have the full detailed tutorial videos that you watch and you understand it, because in the tutorial videos we explain in details how everything is gotten, how to reduce your CTR, how to maintain it, how to increase your CPC, cookie development, different type of things are taught in the tutorial. Okay, so that's for it. Okay, have a nice day everybody.